What are we doing today, Veronica? We're doing 9-3 and 9-4, complementary and supplementary angles, and we're also listening to a little Jurassic Park, right? Because that's all we've heard today. I'm going to stop that. And I'm going to try to find 9-3 and 9-4, wherever that is. Okay, and what can you now do, Jonathan?
I can identify complementary and supplementary angles.
Okay, so a complementary and a supplementary angle. One adds up to 90 degrees and one adds up to 180 degrees, correct? True or false? You may only use two angles when identifying complementary angles. True or false?
False.
You can use two or more. And the same would be true for supplementary. Adjacent angles. They share a what?
Side.
This is probably the most important part of the definition. They're right next to each other, but they share a side. So ABC is supplementary to CBD because they share that side right there that I highlighted. Calculating angles. Huge part of what we did last week in our wake up. What you did in your in-class IXLs in the previous unit. So calculating angles, I don't think is anything brand new to you, even from our notes here. Really important that you understand M means what?
Measure.
Okay, so the measure of ABC is what we have right here. It's not given to you, but if you know that this is 47 degrees and you know that the whole angle is 90, you would simply subtract 47 from 90 to get the measure. Not something that should be terribly difficult for you. What does the line over top of two letters mean, like down here? Segment symbol. What if you have this, just for kicks and giggles? We haven't done one of these yet. But what does this symbol mean?
Array.
That's not array. That's a line. If you have two arrows, let me rewrite that, or redraw that. If you have two arrows, we're talking about a line. Well, you getting all this? Okay. I told you for the drawing here, number 5, that AE is a straight angle. What does a straight angle measure? What does a straight angle measure? 180 degrees. If you look at the notes here, ABC, CBD, and DBE are supplementary because they all together add up to 180 degrees or form a straight line. But we also talked about the fact that ABC and CBE are supplementary because we combine two angles into one big angle. I think you're probably okay with that. You can stop me anytime if you have questions. The big one is this figure and what we did with this figure. We gave you some information, and then you needed to fill out the rest of the information and then provide your rationale or your reasoning. So we told you that CF, I'm lost again. So you just have to watch up here because we just lost the smartboard and I think we just regained it. We told you that CF is perpendicular to AD. So if CF is perpendicular to AD, Mona, what's true about all of the angles that CF and AD create? They're all 90-degree angles. It's perpendicular lines create 90-degree angles, right? Okay. If I have an angle like this right here, the one that I just circled, and I have two intersecting lines, CF and BE. If this angle is 30 degrees, what must this angle be, you guys?
30 degrees.
Great. Why? What makes them 30-degree angles, Sadia?
Vertical angle.
Do you need to tell me vertical angles?
Yes.
Yes, you need to tell me vertical angles, and vertical angles are always congruent. You guys got it. Any questions?